I wake up at 5:30 a.m., gym, protein shake, same routine. But out here, ain't nobody care about discipline. Just who got the fastest car or the loudest gun. Atlanta's a chessboard. Politicians move bishops. Gangsters move pawns. Me, I'm the rook. Straight line strategy. But even rooks get cornered. See, the universe expands like these streets. More chaos, more distance between stars. But black holes, they the trap houses of space. Suck everything in, no escape. They see the watch, the whip, the gram. They don't see the 72-hour work week or my lil cousin doing 10 and making. Einstein said, time slows down at light speed. Maybe that's why I drive so fast. Trying to outrun the clock before this city collapses into a singularity.
You ain't trapped, young blood. You the trap.
They told me I'm too smart for the street, too street for the suits. So I built my own universe. Red car, red shift, everything moving away from me. They say genius is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. Out here, it's 1% Heisenberg uncertainty, 99% knowing exactly where the bull is finna be. Title, Futura 24px, white with black outline, tech-inspired look.
That's inertia, OG. City keeps moving while they try to keep you stationary.
Need This by EOD.
See this? Second law of thermodynamics. Systems trend toward disorder, just like your hustle. Translation: 30 minutes with her feels like 5 in trap time.
When you finna get real job?
That question got infinite gravitational pull, can't escape once it crosses your event horizon. Only observation, pulling up, collapses the state. Title: Futura 36px, glowing neon blue. Genius in the trap ain't about IQ. It's about calculating your wave function before they measure you dead.